With respect to the overall picture, I think Murray and Calloway County is not any worse off than counties of similar size and similar population. I think in certain areas we have a greater problem, just as we were mentioning the drug problem. When the Paducah Sun did an article last December on the drug problem, Calloway County, I think the percentage of cocaine-related offenses were higher than even in McCracken County. That doesn't mean we had more cocaine-related offenses, but percentage-wise we did for all the drug offenses. I think the elderly in particular are concerned about these break-ins, and what we have tried to do, and what I would suggest doing, is the neighborhood watch programs. Those things work. Those things work, and they are tremendous, where neighbors watch neighbors' property. And that seems to me to be the big concern of people that I talk with. They'll go home and they'll find that someone has been in their house and they've taken their family heirlooms and things of that nature, or been out in their garage and taken their three-wheelers and this sort of thing. And I believe that if we can establish more and more of those neighborhood watch programs, I think if you talk with these people, like I said, in the Bagwell area, in the Kenneana Shores area, in the Bethel Church area, you'll find that the rate out there of break-ins has dropped substantially because of the neighborhood watch program, and I think you're making people more aware of what goes on. So I believe that's what I would do, and I think our office could be available to assist any neighborhood in setting up a neighborhood watch program. Thank you.
Walt, when you're number one, once you get there, the struggle, of course, is to stay there, and that's true with the issue that you brought up, and that is that one of the things that helped us to get there is that we were rated as a safe, or our crime rate was considerably lower than the national average, and the important thing is for us to keep it that way. We've got to keep it there. What I see being in court on a daily basis and being a criminal law practitioner is that at least half, and as a general rule, 90% of the crime, and especially the more serious crime that does occur in Calloway County, is drug or alcohol related. And because of that, if you're going to get to the root of the problem, that's where you've got to concentrate your efforts, or at least you've got to make it first. And that's why I say that the county attorney, to set the tone, must make the war against drugs a very top priority.
I would like to know if you see the county court system as, in Calloway County as being overloaded, or there's being several cases, more cases, and if it is, what will you do to try to combat this?
From what I can tell, I don't believe it is overloaded. I think with the implementation of the district court system several years ago, I think we've got a method down where cases move along quickly. We've got those who serve the court system. I think Ron serves as a public defender, and so attorneys are always there for some of the indigent defendants, and so I don't feel as though that we have a backlog of cases here as they do in some other areas. I think the situation is that we can move these cases along in the time that's prescribed by the law, and I really don't see any lengthy delays that have occurred. Thank you.
Michael, we've come a long way. As many people in this room can tell you, when the new court system was implemented, we thought we were going to have 2 district judges and